Hello guys, good day. How are you and how are you doing today? Hello King's Crypto family. You guys are already my family and we have a lot of things to share together. We make the money together, we challenge each other together, we push each other together. I hope this year has been good. Yeah, you see that we've reduced the number of times we trade. Apparently we have been studying that since last year. The number of trade we trade right now are very minimal. I'll focus more on spot trading in our online community, focus basically on spot trading, and you can see how profitable we've been. We don't trade all the time, but we are extremely profitable. One thing I've changed this year is that our number of trade has increased, but our number of trade has reduced, but our capital has increased. And I hope you enjoyed the last premiere. It was wonderful. It was indeed a mentorship section. And this is another premiere again by KCA. I'm here live with you to watch with you, to answer your question, to attend to your question. For those who are just joining us for the first time in 2026, remember in this year 2026, what we are doing is that our premiere will be a compilation of our videos. So it's a mentorship section, not like the regular premiere section where we just go to a new topic entirely. No, what we do in every premiere right now is that we compile videos we have done for the month, the teachings we have released for the month, compile them together in one, sit down, watch together, ask your question, I answer you. Sure you get. So you don't have to be, any premiere you watch right now is a compilation of video. We have done the part one, this is part two of the premiere we are having right now. So it's a compilation of the videos we've done for the month on spot trading, on the coins you need to buy and the like. So all you need to right now is that sit down, watch, and while this section is ongoing, ask your question in the comment section. I'll be here to answer you. I'm here watching with you right now. So I'm answering because this premiere was pre-recorded. So we are just watching together ourselves. So as you are watching, I'm here right now watching with you. So I'm here to answer all your questions, no matter what you may think of as far as related cryptocurrency. I'll answer it. So it's a general mentorship section for all my loyal followers who have been following me. Some of you have been here following for more than 5 years, some more than 8 years, some more than 6 years, some more than 6, not up to 8 years, some more than 5, some more than 4, some more than 3, some more than 6, because it's been 7 years in this journey right now, and it has been extremely profitable. Don't forget I told you my most profitable year was 2025, and indeed the most profitable year in trading. I made quite a number of money in trading last year. It was indeed amazing, and this year we are doing 10 times than that, bigger than that. So for you to do more and make more, follow me, let's watch together, and I'll be here to mentor you through the year. One thing I can assure you is that if you follow me, apparently you're going to make money this year. See you in the comment section. So ask your question, let me answer. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you the simplest spot trading strategy that has made me and my students over millions of naira by just trading spot. Underline the word sports trading strategy, not futures trading strategy. Let's get started. And at the end of the video, I'll show you practical example, at least 5 different instances we have applied this strategy and the results that follow with dates, with chart backup. So wait to the end of the video as we go. So number 1 steps about this trading strategy is that wait for when BTC price is on minus 10%. So this strategy actually works for deep when the market price is down. So wait when you see BT on minus 10 and above. That hardly happens. That only happens maybe once in a month or twice in a month. You can apply this strategy every day or every week. It hardly happens, but it happens occurrently. Like it happens once in a while. She get. So when you see, like for instance, now you are seeing ETH on minus 1, SRP on minus 1, she get. Wait for when you see BT on minus 10. Just like as you can see on ZEC right now, is on minus 10. Wait for when you see BT on minus 10 and above. That's number 1. Number 2 step is that when you see BT on minus 10 and above, buy coin with high market cap. When I mean high market cap, this is how to check the market cap of a coin. Go back. When you open your Binance, even on your Bybit, any app you're using, this is applicable. Just go scroll like this, drag this to this side. You will see this market cap here. When you get to market cap, you can go to view more here. When you click on view more, check coin with high market cap. And these coins, all the coins on this list, they are ranked based on their market cap. The highest coin with higher market cap is BTC. So what I used to advise is that at least within the first 10, minus USDC is just USD, they are just fiat currency. They are regular, they are just fiat, they are stable coins. So minus these two, within the first 10, you can buy anything within the first 10. As at that time when BT is doing minus 10, automatically ETH, we call other coin altcoins, they'll be doing minus 20, minus 15, minus 10. You get. So buy any of them within the first 10. Don't go outside. When I mean within the first 10, I mean BTC, ETH, SRP, BNB, SOL, TRX, Dodge, ADA, XLM. Why do we buy coin with high market cap? Because they have high value and they have high backup. Are you getting me? And their chance of succeeding is extremely high and the risk is extremely low. So don't buy coin with low market cap. Only buy with high market cap. That's number 2, right? Number 3, buy with what you don't need urgently. Buy with the money you don't need urgently. For instance, right now, let's assume maybe I have over $1,000 on this account right now. What I can afford that I don't need urgently, maybe just $100. The rest, I may need them when the situation demands. Are you getting me? So buy with what you don't need urgently, not what you can afford to lose. We are not actually trading to lose, even though losing in trading is inevitable. So, but buy with what, at times you can also say buy with what you can afford to lose. But I always say buy with what you can afford to keep. So in case the market did not bounce back as expected, as long as you are not in a haste, and this is spot trading, not futures trading. Futures trading, you will think, okay, in case I got liquidated, you can get liquidated on spot trading. So buy with what you can afford to keep. So if the market does bounce back, you can keep them. And you are keeping them on coin with high market cap, which is you are 100% guaranteed that one day is going to bounce back. For instance, let's see BTC, for instance. Do you know that BTC has gone down as low as $15,000 in 2023? Let me show you. Let me go back to 1 month's chart. Let's go back. See here. This is BTC here on $15,000. And that was as at, let's check the dates. I'm coming. Just hold on, guys. This was as at 2022, 2022. This was in 2022. BTC went as low as $15,000. And same 2022, BTC went to as low as high as $69,000. In 2021, went as high as $69,000. You can see it here. As high as $69,000. Assuming you buy with what you can afford to keep right now. If you bought even when it was at the peak of it, as long as you are ready to keep it, even though it now went down to as low as $15,000, the same BTC still went high as $126,000. Do you get my point? So buy with what you can afford to keep. So this can actually work. You can check any of this coin, BNB, SOL. This one I have with high market cap. Any of them, even though they went down, they still rebound back and reclaim their all-time high. But not all coins reclaim their all-time high. Low market cap hardly does. So that's step 3. Is that step 2 or step 3? Step 3, yes. Step 4, wait for at least 5 to 10% bounce back, which means when you buy with when it was 10% down, are you getting me? So wait again until when the price is at least maybe on green, on positive of plus 12%, for instance, plus 5, anything plus 5% above, you can take profits. Anything plus 5% above, and this happened within the following day or maximum in the next 2 days when you buy on minus 10% down. Don't forget the main indicator in this strategy is BTC. So what you are looking for is not other coin. At the matter of fact, you can see ZECO minus 11%. That is not a reason to buy. Don't buy other coin until BTC gives you the signal of minus 10 above. Now, let me show you practically how this strategy has worked. Let's go to my signal room. These are VIP signal room. The same thing I posted here, I also post on the general channel. This is the main crypto KCA trading channel, the public channel. You can join this channel. You can check the description box below. But most times I don't post the coins here. I'll just post updates here. Where you can actually get the real update is in the VIP signal room. So let me show you practically. Let's go straight to November 29. September 29. I dropped the same strategy. We applied this September 29. Just be checking the date right here. September 29. We applied this strategy September 29. You can see it right here. This September 29, 2025. I told my guys here, Happy New Week. I think we need to buy some coins to hold at this point. I didn't tell them we are only buying with my 30% of our portfolio, whatever we have, like 30% of our portfolio. I didn't show exactly where the price which the market was down here, but I at least this coin to buy. These are coins within the first 10 high market cap. And let's go fast forward to October 1st when we took profit. Now this October 1st, you can see this October 1st, right? You can see the coin right here. Virtually all the coins are all back. This one was plus 6%, plus 5%, plus 6%. They still went as high, more higher than this. But this was when I told them, okay, now guys, we are all on profit. You can see here, all on profit. You can take profit. And we started taking profit. Let me fast forward to October 10. Let me show you. October 10 was the highest, was the peak of it. That's never happened in the market, in the history of crypto market before. Virtually the major coins were down minus 50%, minus 70%. Let me show you what happened that day. October 10, it was one of the days that the crypto market will never recover from. Okay, I didn't even post the rates which they are down here in the VIP self. I just told them to buy. You see, what the fuck? The system is so busy. So let me show you. Let me go to the public channel when I actually showed them, when I made a screenshot of how the market was down. I made that in the public channel. I also did that for this signal channel, which was on the WhatsApp, not on the Telegram. Let's go to October 10. Please pardon me. This is really important for you to see. October 10, we are there already. So you can see The market was down. You can see some of them were even down, like SRP was down at minus 27%, Cake was down minus 32%, BCH minus 16%, SOL and BT was already down minus 10%. It wasn't in this picture. SOL minus 17%. And I told them, guys, market is bleeding really high. Buy all you can buy now. This is the biggest dip ever since I've been in this game. And that was the biggest dip ever. Even not since when I was been, since crypto have started. Over 70% down. Some Binance, some markets over 70% down. Binance app sees we couldn't buy much. But I bought as much as I can buy that day. And that day I made over $100. I couldn't buy that much. I only bought maybe $100 or so. And later on the profits grew to over $109. You can see it here. You can see these are live charts of how money we made that day. We made so much money that day. My students, some of them made more than $500 that same day by applying the same strategy. That was in October 10. Let's fast forward to November 4. I'm still showing you the public channel, so you can see that I see drop signals in the public channel as well. November 4th, you can see it here. I told them, okay, did I posted it here? Okay, I'm not sure I did here. Okay, I told them here, actually you can see here, okay, market is down again. Expectation, we are expecting a correction. See here, the market is down. This was when I was showing them that the market is down. And let me go to VIP signal room so that I don't contradict this and so that I can get it right. I posted it exactly. Okay, see, we are in the signal room right now. I told them, yeah, that's why you need to be in the signal room so that I can get update like this. We are likely to start buying back tonight, just buying with 30% of our portfolio. This is what we are buying. I told them the coins we are buying, and we bought November 4. Let's go to November 6 when we actually started making profit on it. November 6. Okay, time to take profit on those coins we bought on Tuesday. Sell and take profit. Market possibly going to go back again down. We took profits when it was actually high again. Then fast forward to November 16. That's the last one I'll be showing you. November 16. November 16. Okay, this is it here. November 16. November 14 rather. This is what we are buying again. We started buying back when the market was down. And fast forward to November 16, 18. We buy with hope at least 5% profit. You can see here all on profit already. You can read the all on profit. We started taking profit and we took profit and took profit till we took profit to this point. At the point at November 23 or 26, we finally took all our profit. And I told my students, remember I told you guys not to take profit yesterday. The profit is still pretty. I see them, they still owed so that more profit we made. And you can see more profit were made here. At this juncture, I told them took 70% profit, and this strategy has helped us over and over again. Guys, what am I showing you here is that this strategy worked over and over again. This was yesterday again when I was telling students to still, not to start buying, but they still owed, and the market's going to go down. See, let me show you, for instance, when we took profits, I told them here November 28, I think we have tried and made enough profit, so we can now sell the remaining 30%. So we sold all. And I told them to sell all, and they sold all. And as of December 1st, you can see the market was down again. Assuming they didn't sell, they would have been on massive loss. So guys, this is how we apply this strategy and work for us over and over again. I will advise you, join our signal room or join our public channel so that I can keep getting updates. Don't forget, the main indicator to this strategy is when BTC is down minus 10% and above. It also works when it's minus 5% down and above, but the chances is not 90% accurate. It's like maybe 70% accurate. But when it's 10% down, it's 100% accurate. See you in the next video, guys. In the next video, I'll be showing you why you are still broke. The truth about crypto trading. Some of you have been trading crypto for years and yet you're still broke. I'll show you why you are still broke in the next video. Click and I'll be showing you why you are still broke despite you're a crypto trader. I know some of you have been trading for years and yet you are still broke. You see, one of the truths you need to admit first is that you are broke. You have been trading and nothing is changing. You have been trading and you can't even still afford to pay your bills. You are making it today, losing it tomorrow. I mean, you made money today and tomorrow you are down again. You keep falling and yet you are still broke. As a matter of fact, you are about quitting crypto trading. You don't need to quit. Don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you why you are still broke. Let's get started. You see, one of the reasons why you are still broke is that they lie to you. One thing I would like you to know is that me that I'm talking to you right now, I'm a trader, not just a crypto mentor, a trader. Personally, I've made millions from trading. That's number one. Number two is that I've trained over 10,000 students in my free class. Number three is that I've mentored over 300 students who are still currently under my direct mentorship. Number four is that I've been training for more than, I think, almost 7 years right now, far more than 6 years. So anything I tell you, please listen. This is a product of experience. You can check my channel and check the result over the years. They are there to show. So please listen. So number one reason why you're still broke is that they lied to you. They told you, oh, don't worry, when you start trading, you're going to double your account, you're going to make it. Don't worry, you're going to start buying cars. You need to quit your job. I mean, that was one of the biggest lies that pains me the most. That they told you that you have to quit your job to start trading. That's a big lie. And some of you right now, you have quit your job and you are as broke even than when you're working. They told you, you know what, you're going to make it overnight, you're going to wipe away poverty. They start showing you luxury cars, luxury jet and everything. Oh, you can see me flying to Dubai. I mean, you don't need to tell any sane person that to make it. That's lie. Those who are showing you that are not actually making money from trading. They are making money from selling courses and from commission, from advertisements. They lie to you and you believe the lie. Hook, sinker, you believe it absolutely. And that's why I've been training for years. I have not make it. And you ask yourself, oh, but these people told me that I'll make it. Why am I not making it? You can't make it that way. You see, all those things they mentioned, is possible that you have those things in trading crypto, but not on the spot. It's going to take years of trading, years of consistent trading. And the truth, you see, the truth about that, they should have said that you're going to lose money. They don't tell you that. I've seen where students have come to me, oh, so I want to pay for a VIP signal room, and I hope I'm not going to lose money. And I hope I'm not going to lose money. I'll tell them you're going to lose money. That's the truth. You see, losing is part of trading. It can't be removed. Losing is part of trading. Like, it's part and parcel of trading. We don't lose money, we learn by losing. Do you get my point? So losing money is the tuition fee you pay in learning. But the truth is, when you start trading and you've mastered the act of trading, is that your winning rate is higher than your losing rate. I can flip through my signal room right now. Let me show you how my students have made money trading. I can flip through them. See, this is my signal. Let me not flip through signal room. Let me flip through my public channel. So you not just think that it's just the signal. You can see here we have almost 1,500 students here who are learning under us. So you can see, I can just flip, just watch it yourself while I teach. Watch it yourself and count how many times we have lost in all the signals I've dropped. You can just watch it. You can pause, play, rewatch, and the likes. You can see several winning rates, concurrent winning rate. Our winning rate is 90% higher. That means if I drop 10 signals, maybe only one failed. You can go and check the signal. The link to it is in the description box below. Go and check and study all the signals that have been dropped and find out the results. You are going to lose, no doubt about that. But your winning rate is going to be higher than your loser. So they lie to you and you believe the lie, and that's why you have not made it. Until you unbelieve the lie, that's when you start making it. Don't worry. Number 2 reason is that you think trading is gambling. Yes, that's one reason why you have not made it. You think trading is gambling. What you want to do is that when you come into trading, the same mindset you have when you are playing Bet Ninja, you are still playing Bet Ninja. The same mindset. The same mindset you had when you're playing Naira Bet, I don't know all those things, Baba Jebu, all those things. It's the same mindset you came to crypto with. That odd of 2, odd of 1. If I play this and I put 20x leverage, 30x leverage, I'm going to make it. I'm going to double my account. So while you're about entering the trade, you're asking yourself that if I use $10, okay, I can turn $10 to $100. People have come to me and asked me, sir, yeah, if I start trading with $10, but I tell them you can't make it if you start with trading $10. It's a lie. You can't make it. So don't even come. That's why my signal room is high. If you can't afford $50 to pay for my signal room, then you can't afford to trade. So there's no point in lying to you. Let me just have few ones who I know that they are ready to make it, and let me help them to make it. There's no point helping the majority. They lie to you. That's number 1. Number 2, you think it's casino. You think it's gambling. You see, trading is business, not gambling. Until you understand that it's business, and it takes time to make it. It takes time to grow an account. Last year, grew an account. Let me show you my trading accounts. Oh, my trading accounts here. Okay, I withdrew $1,000. I will show you practically so that you see that these things, they are not stories. What is left here is $115. Let me show you the history. I withdrew $1,000. Not that I withdrew $1,000 the last time. See, this is there. 999.9. I withdrew it to my Bybit to cash out that money. The year is already ending, so I need some money for some stuff. This was why I withdrew. You can see it here. You can see the transaction here. I withdrew $1,000. Let me go back to my accounts. Let me show you my trading history. What I've traded this year. You see, this was how my accounts grew. And let me show you 180 days. Or let me just show you 110, what's it called? Let me show you 360 within 1 year. I started with $10 and I grew to $1,500. $1,500. Not that I grew it. Don't make the mistake. There are times that I actually fund the accounts myself. That I send maybe $100, $200, maybe the money I made on Bybit, send it to the account. But I've made more in trading this year. This is how my account is real life. You can see the practical. These are data you can manipulate. So when I'm teaching, please listen. I know what I'm telling you. And this year, I've never traded futures. Let me go to my futures trading history and see. You see, it's 000. My spot trading history, you can see a lot of history here. You can see my, let me go to, no, sorry, let's go to history. This is where history is. Let's go to trade history. I've only traded spot this year. I will explain that later. You can see here. You can see the coin we buy here. We bought BNB at 857. We bought at 8. Let me show you one. Yeah, we bought at 8. I think we bought at 828 or so. At a point. No, I'm trying to find. We bought BNB at 820 something. If the data is still here, okay, I think that data has gone. We bought at a very cheaper rate. I'm trying to find the data. It should be here. But in a nutshell, the last time we sold at 895. 895. So we bought very, very cheap. Bought at 828. The data is not just here again. I'll have shown you how we bought BNB and how we sold, how we made money on it. As well, we bought very cheap. We sold high. Quite a number of them that I can't even mention here. So what am I saying here is that one of the reasons why you're not making that, because it's gambling. You want to double your money in a day, you will never make it that way. Number 3 is that futures trading. I can tell you, futures trading was designed to ruin your future. Believe me sincerely. The only people that can make it in futures trading are people who are whales, who are ready to trade with millions of dollars. We call them market makers. You see, retail traders, futures trading is designed to win the future of retail traders and make whales and exchange wealthy and your mentors wealthy. How does it make your mentors wealthy? When you keep increasing your leverage, they keep paying them commission. They've told you, make it 100x. You can go 120. You can go 125. 50x. 10x. It's a lie. Tell them if there is any of your mentor that can show their trading history where I did mine right now. They are just lying to you. You will not make it that way. So number 1 thing is that if you're going to make it, number 3 thing is that stop futures trading. Stop it. Only trade spot trading. I used to advise my students, not that I give sports signals, futures signals as well, but maybe once in a while. And I used to advise them, this is not what we trade sports strictly. But some of you that your mind, you shall want to make it by force. Well, have this for your good. And this coming year, I think one of the things we are doing in 2026, this year in 2026, one of the things we are doing this year in 2026, what we are doing is we are stopping, primarily either stopping or literally not even giving anything related to future signal again. Just spot signals. We want our students to be wealthy. I want them to be wealthy patiently. So you can't make it in a haste. So you need to stop futures trading. Number 4, you are looking for free money. You see, there is no free money in this world. If you have ever collected any money free, someone paid for it. If there is no free thing in this world, as a matter of fact. If you are saved, like we believe in a Christendom, if you have saved, Jesus paid for your salvation. So salvation itself is not even free. The air you are breathing in, some plants are reproducing it. So nothing is free in this world. So why are you looking for free money? You are looking for free money. That's why you are looking for low market cap coin, so that you buy 1 million units, and in your mind you think that 1 million units will become, so that when one of them become $1 tomorrow, so you now have $1 million. You can never make it that way. You are looking for new coins. You are looking for many coins. Those things are going to make it. As a matter of fact, in the near future, you'll be the one that is the meme, not that coin that is meme. You'll not be the meme itself. You can't make it that way. You are looking for free money. There is no free money in crypto. If you have ever done airdrop and you collect money free, you didn't actually earn the money free. You were there marketing the airdrop. They will tell you, okay, share the link. When you share the link, you collect 0.0 or something. Because you're actually doing a work. And airdrop is designed as a marketing strategy for crypto projects. So that's why you have made money on airdrop. So it wasn't actually a free money. A tax was performed. I hope that's true. That's true enough. Number 5 is failure to pay the price to learn. You don't want to pay the price. Oh, I can learn on myself. I'll go to YouTube. I'll learn randomly. I'll do this. I'll do that. You see, if you have a mentor, I may not be your mentor. You may have a mentor again who's training you and like, pay your mentor and learn. I don't necessarily mean what's my business with you. You see, at the point this year, we have to actually pin the signal room on the group so that people can keep getting a VIP offer. But the time to keep teaching, to keep emphasizing, okay, come and join VIP is not there again. We have to automate the system so that at least once in a week people will know that we have a VIP offer. But for me to be posting VIP, I don't even have the time again. I hardly does. Maybe in the last month, maybe I ever posted it once because I'm busy making money trading. It's those who are not making anything trading that will keep telling you in the morning they post their VIP, in the afternoon they are VIP, in the evening they are VIP, the next morning they are VIP. Because that is their source of income. Real traders are not even concerned about you buying their course. They have courses, but that's not their major obsession. We have to automate our own system here so that at least we don't deny people of the benefit, those who want to learn, not to learn. So if you ever see our VIP offer is automated system. All right, you know what, guys? Those are within these 5 reasons. I believe this is one of the reasons why you are still broke trading. And don't worry, in the next video, I'll be showing you how I finally became profitable in crypto trading. So that's when I will now tell you how to tackle these challenges. So click on the link to watch the next video where I explain how I finally became profitable in crypto trading. So I'll now explain to you how you can tackle all these challenges. It's a 7-step guide that I explain there on how you can become profitable in crypto trading. So watch the next video so that I can find the solution to this problem right here. See you in the next video. In this video, I'll show you how I finally became profitable trading cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's not just how I finally became profitable. These are strategies that the highly successful crypto traders have actually applied. So they are like the 7 habits of the highly successful crypto traders. So let's get into them. Number 1 is I stopped trading futures. I finally found out that futures trading actually is killing my future. Futures trading is a strategy to steal away my future. So I stopped trading futures and I focus only on spot trading. You see, until you become an hedge fund or you become a whales, when I talk about whales, hedge funds, or what's it called, or market makers, that means until you have like $1 million in your portfolio, I advise you don't trade futures. If you keep trading futures, you keep ruining your futures. Until you get to a point that you can actually manipulate the market yourself and become an exchange yourself, you keep ruining your future. So I stopped trading futures trading and I stick only with spot trading. You can see that from my data here. Pardon me. You can see that. Go to history here. You see my trade this year. I've only traded spot. You can see other history on my spots. You can see these are spot trading, trade history. You can see them on spot. You can see right here on spot. So when you go to futures, cross margin, nothing. Go to other history, nothing. When you go to isolated margin, nothing. Trade history, nothing. So I stopped trading spot and that helped me grow my account marginal. That helped me grow my account massively. You can see, let me show you my account here. What I have here currently is $115. I actually withdrew $1,000 recently. Let me show you. Let's go to overview so that you see the history here. Let's go to history here. Let's go to assets. That was just, I think, 2 days ago or so. We drew $1,000. You know, I need money for December. It's necessary. So you see, this was what I withdrew the last time. That was all my profit for the year. We drew them at once. I just left $115 there. So you can see I reduced my Bybit so that I can actually trade it on P2P and spend the money for important things. Not to spend it on unnecessary things, but it was on the building projects. Don't worry, I'll just stop there. It was on the building projects. So you can see how we made money and use it for tangible things and investments. So you can see that was how I did that recently. And let me show you how my account has grew this year. Let me go to overview. You know, you actually need all this proof so that you know that we are not just joking with you. You can see what I started the year with. This is a 360 days. I think I started this account with just $10 and grew to over $1,500. You can see it's at $10, it's still loading, and you can see what started with. You can see what grew to $1,500. Though there were times that I actually fund this account, it's maybe $100, $200 once in a while, but the most money we made on trading, and this was when I withdrew the $1,000. You can see when the markets went down. So I stopped trading futures. I only focus on spot trading. Spot trading is just like, this is what they call spot trading. You go to a coin right now, let's assume I want to buy BNB. I just click on it, then click buy here and buy with what I have on my wallet. Yeah, so I'm not actually using any leverage. What advantage of this is that you cannot be liquidated. So you can keep it for 10 years, your money is still there. So your money may go down in value. That $115 may turn to maybe $80, $30. But the truth is, as long as it didn't sell, it's going to bounce back with time. So that's why I always advise buy high market cap coin. I'm going to mention that later in the steps or in the procedures or in the habits I started practicing that make me profitable. So number 1 is I stopped trading futures. Number 2 is that I only trade high market cap coin. I don't trade low market cap coin. That's one reason why you are not profitable. This is how for high market cap coin. Go to here, just scroll like this. Go to market cap. When you go to market cap here, you see a list of them here. So this one showing the market cap of each coin. That's the value of each coin. So you can see BTC right now, the market cap is over $1.7 trillion, not in euros, $trillion. You can see ETH here, you can see USDT here. That means this is a month or this one that is in circulation and the coin's value. So high market cap alone. If it's not high market cap, I don't trade. I only trade within the first 10 or the first 20 or first 30 at max. So if I'm going to buy any coin, the first thing I check is what's the market cap of this coin to know the value. When you check market cap, it tells you that, oh, there is a lot of people buying it and there's high investment on it. And those people are not just child. So when you're buying coin of maybe 1 million market cap, 2 million market cap, or coin of one person can only be the one funding that coin for $1 million. So if the person decides to withdraw, you lose all your money. So I only trade high market cap coin. I don't trade many coins. I don't trade low gems. I know some of you did, and why you're doing this because you want to double your money. So I don't do that. I only trade high market cap coin. Number 3 reason is that I only trade with what I can afford to keep. So if I have $1,000 in my account right now, I might decide to just trade with $100. If that $100 is what I can afford to keep for the next 1 year, 2 years, in case the coin even went down, in case it didn't bounce back as I expect. So I only trade with what I can afford to lose, or not I can afford to lose, but I can afford to keep. Underline what I can afford to keep. If it's futures trading right now, I can say what you can afford to lose, but it's only what I can afford to keep. Number 3, number 3, right? Number 4, sorry. I have a strategy and I stick to it. My strategy is what I call the simplest spot trading strategy. The link to that video is in the description above below. You can go and check that video. The simplest spot trading strategy. That link, I think it was less than 12 minutes video. I explained my strategy there and how I apply it, and I use BTC as an indicator. It was one of the best strategies, and that strategy made me quite a number of money this year, in thousands of thousands. And has made my signal room or my group millions this year. So that strategy is going to help you a whole lot. So go and check it in the description below. You find the link to the video in the description, or check the channel right here. If you don't find it there, check the channel. You see the simplest spot trading strategy. Find it and watch that video. It's going to help you a lot. So number 4 thing I did that made me profitable was that, number 5, right? Number 5, I reduced the number of times I trade. Possibly I only trade once in a month or once in 2 months. So until that strategy play out, I don't trade. Some of you, one of the reasons why you are still broke right now, or you still remain broke, or you never make money in crypto, that you trade every day. I've seen people that want to join my signal, they ask me, sir, how many signals do you drop in a day? That's a foolish question. It's not about how many signals, it's about how profitable your signals are. Go and check our track record. The link to my Telegram channel is here. Go and check it. Go and check the signal drop and the results. Stop following people that will deceive you and ruin your life. Stop that. So I reduce the number of times I trade. You know, when I started learning crypto trading some years back from Binance Academy, I joined Binance Academy, and one of the things I learned in Binance Academy was that they told us was that people who made it the most in crypto trading trade few times. Most of them trade only once in 4 years. Some of them were the one that bought BTC when it was on $15,000. Let me show you. This is how they trade. This is how those guys trade. Let me show you practically how they trade. Those guys, this is 1 month charts. You see, when BTC was on, when they sold BTC. They bought BTC when it was on maybe $3,700. Yeah, she gets. They sold it when it grew to $69,000. That's when they sold. Are you getting me? They didn't buy again. This is how they trade though. They didn't do anything. That's like in the next 4 years, they sold. They now wait again. BTC came down to as low as $15,000 here. After they sold, they didn't do anything again. So they waited for like 1 year. They didn't do anything again. They see it down $15,000. They buy again. They sold now when it was on $126,000. Are you getting me? They are not buying again now. They've sold all their portfolio. That's why the market is down now. They are waiting for it to come down to maybe $30,000, $40,000. They will buy again, and they will sell maybe $200,000. That's how they trade. And those are the people like Elon Musk, like BlackRock. Are you getting me? Microsoft Strategy. That's what they do. This is how these guys trade. They are not like you, that you are buying all the time, selling every day, buying, selling. You know, when you keep doing that, you keep paying trading fee. So the only thing you are doing is you are making the exchange wealthy. So that's why they introduce futures trading, so as to ruin your future early. Because they know you want to make it suddenly. You want to wipe up your generational cost, your generational poverty by crypto trading. It's not going to be possible that way. It's not going to be possible that way. Generational cost have been there more than 500 years. Your grandfather have been there battling poverty, so you just want to wipe it off in 1 day with crypto trading. If you ever do, you still go back to it. You can't make generational wealth that way. It takes time to build. So I reduce the number of times I trade. I don't trade most times, maybe once a month, once in 2 months. At times I even give signals. I don't even trade futures at all. But I keep learning daily. I reduce the number of time I trade and I keep learning daily. Don't worry, I'm going to show you that later. So number 6, that I take my job serious. You see, those who will kill you are those who have told you resign from your job and start trading. They will kill you and ruin your future. I've seen students who have told me, sir, I want to start trading, I want to pay for a mentorship, and I'll resign from my job. I said, don't pay. If it's that one, don't pay. Don't resign from your job, or else you will regret your life. Why? Because I have a reputation to build. Ask anybody of KCA or Principal Academy, for those who know about us. We've built this reputation for years. For years, and we are still in this game. We don't want to be here and just, I can tell you, I would have made more money than this if I keep lying to people. But I don't have anything to do with that. Because what I'm building here is generational wealth. This is a company. This is an organization. I will be gone one day. This organization will still be there. So we want to build a reputation that can last and stand the test of time. It will be here forever. Even when I'm gone and I'm no more, it's an organization that will be here forever. As long as crypto trading exists on the earth. So we are doing something that will last. So in that terms, we don't build anyhow. So I take my job serious. So don't resign from your job. Currently, I'm an interior designer. I have an interior company, Classical Interiors. I have a real estate company. So I'm still working hardly. Have you asked yourself, does Elon Musk works? Oh, really? He works. So you now that you are only trading with $10, you won't stop working. Elon Musk like trading with millions, billions of dollars is working. So you won't stop trading. BlackRock, did they have work? They have work. Microsoft, did they have work? They have work. The major whales in the market are working. Warren Buffett, they have work. They have work. Donald Trump, did they have work? He's still working. He's the president. He has real estate business. One of the biggest real estate companies in US is owned by him and his family. So you have resigned from your work to start trading. You must be a fool. That's why you need to have sense. And that's why you're here. Work. Go back to your work. It's from your work you will generate funds to buy coin and keep and hold. So it's not a lifetime thing you sit down with. This is a company we train people and likes. It's an organization on its own. But nevertheless, I still have other business I do. I can't keep my family at this. Is it once the month I trade, I'll say I'll keep using to feed my family? No. But the higher my capital, the higher profit I will make. Do you know one thing? If I trade you $1,000 and the coin did 10%, that's $100. But if you trade with $10 and the coin did 10%, that's $1. So what $1 for you? So the higher your capital, the higher money you can make. That's just the truth. That's the truth. We trade one trade in October 10, I made over $109 that same day. Maybe if time permits me, I can just show you. Let me go to my signal room. October 10, we took a trade October 10, and this trade made me over $109. This was my PNL for that day alone. Over $109 for that day alone. Just one day, less than how many hours? But do you imagine how many capital I invested in that trade? So you can't make that money because your trade is just $10. So you need to go and work, go and find a job. If you have not have a job, go and learn a job, go and learn a trade. Go and do something. I only told you about 2 of my companies. I have more than 3, 4. That's why I have enough capital to pull into the market. This is just one of my wallets. This is not my wallet. I have sense today. Number 7, I keep improving on my knowledge base daily. If there's anything you are sure when you join our channel is that every day you'll be getting knowledgeable tips. You'll be getting educational tips on crypto trading. Oh, this is what to do, this is how to manage your portfolio, this is how to risk, this is how to do this. One thing you must increase daily is knowledge. And one thing you must reduce daily is trading. With that, you stay profitable in crypto. Click on the links to watch in the next video. Don't worry, all this month we are teaching about spot trading. And thank you for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 coins to watch out for in 2026. Alright, before we get started, let me explain the market analysis and what we are expecting in the year 2026. 2025, we have seen quite a number of bull run. We can see the market BTC hitting over $126,000. A lot of people have said that is the peak of the market. Personally, I believe that is the peak of the market, judging based on the 4 years market cycle that we have seen repeat itself over and over again. So one thing we are expecting in the year 2026 is that we're expecting the market should be down. We're expecting a massive bearish trend in the market. We're expecting a massive sell-off. So automatically, just like what happened in the year 2021, you can see right here, November 2021, when BTC went as high as $69,000. You can see here, November, this $69,000. This was November 2021, when BTC went as high as that, and we can see what happened. That was the peak of the market, and reclaim a new all-time high. And after that all-time high, we can see the market went down to as low as $15,000. So that was like, if you have to calculate that right now, that's like minus 80% down from its all-time high, or minus 70% down from its all-time high, if you will say. Are you getting me? Or let's say minus 75% down from its all-time high. That was how far BTC went. So now in 2026, we're actually expecting the same thing. This is the all-time high claimed in, you can see right here also. This happened in October 2025. So we're expecting the same thing to happen. And just shortly after that, in 2022, after that $9,000, in 2022 went to 16. When went to $15,000 here. Let's go back so that we can study this chart very well. Before we talk about the coins to buy, we can see we don't just say things, we say it based on analysis, based on reason. In 2022, we can see right in 2022 level, like a year after, went down and reclaimed its low. So we're expecting the same thing because this has actually been the history. You can check the narrative of the market. This has been the history over and over again, years past. You can go and do your own personal analysis and find out. And please, nevertheless, this is not a financial advice. This is just a trading tips. Do your own research before taking any steps. Please don't forget that. So we're expecting the market to come down to as low as even at least maybe $60,000 or not $60,000, maybe $40,000 or $30,000. Before we can say we have entered the bottom of the market. So we're expecting a bearish trend. So while we are expecting this bearish trend, what should you do right now? These are the coins to watch out for. Number one is BTC. So you are targeting BTC, looking up to, okay, I'm expecting currently right now from its all-time high right now, BTC is just down minus 43% or so from its all-time high. With the way it's going, it may still be as down. Let me check very well. Just trying to, okay, minus 45% from its all-time high. It may go down as high as maybe minus 80% or minus 70% from its all-time high. Then at that point, you can start buying to hold for the next 4 years or 3 years. Those who are at $69,000 right now, they are sold at $126,000. Do you get my point? Until we see another bull run. And bull run don't just happen in a year, it takes like 2 years to complete a total season of a bull run. Do you get my point? So we're expecting BTC to go down like that. So when it goes down, one of the coins to buy is BTC. You know, when I started learning cryptocurrencies, one of the things they taught us then in Binance Academy was that invest, or I think, no, not in Binance Academy. One of my mentor told me then that that 70% of his portfolio are on high market cap coin, not low market cap coin. That 30% are just on low market cap coin. So invest in high market cap coin because they give you a high percentage guaranteed. Let me show you for instance why I said you buy BTC. Some of you are no, sir, I don't want to buy BTC. I want to buy coin that is down. So that when it's down, when I buy it, you pump up. It can be times 100, it can be times 50. Calm down. Let me show you something. Why we always advise you people, but some of you will never listen. Let me show you. For instance, I think I remember one coin we used to buy those days when we were still child in this market. Dent. If you see in the market, it has not been delisted. Okay, Dent. It's not, I think it has been delisted. It's not here again. Okay, it's still here. Let's check this coin and see. This coin reclaim got a high in 2021, April 2021. Are you getting me? Let's go to November 2021. We do things here with proof so that we show you. This was December 2021. Now let's go to November 2021. November 2021. This November 2021, this is the peak here. When all coin are high, let's say very well. So we have to set this thing. Okay, you can see this November 2021. It went as 0.008. Are you getting me? 0.00. You see that it was just 20 ahead of that 8. 0.008. That was where the high went to that time. Since that time to date, has it gotten there back? No. It has even gotten deeper and gotten worse. From that place to here now, it has lost more than 3,000%. How much is in your money? So as when you invested like maybe $100, maybe your money will be less than $1 right there, right now. So you don't just buy low market cap coin or any altcoin. You buy coin that has value. Check SOL. Check November. Check that time we backdated on. November 2021. Let's check SOL. If you check SOL right now, November 2021, I think that was when it did 295. No, not that time. It did 250 or something. See it here. November 2021. See it here. November 2021. The highest got was 259. As at today, as at this last time, this October, when all coins are going up, it has done. You can see here, this was the October here. At 2025, it has done 295. So it has broken that all time. I reclaim it. Now it's also going down in price. So buy high market cap. You can check BNB, the same thing. ETA, the same thing. All this coin, high market cap, SRP, the same thing. So they will reclaim their all time. So don't just buy coin because they say buy. You not buy any altcoin. I know some people are online right now saying how to buy 100x coin, 1000x coin is a lie. Listing carefully. Those people, majority of them are actually promoting the coin. They are the owner of the coin. We have no gain there. We are telling you the truth that we help you because we have a reputation we are building. So one of the coins to watch out for is BTC. Don't forget, watch out for BTC and buy when you see at that rate. Buy BNB. I recommend BNB over and over again. After BNB, my top coin I used to hold in my wallet is BNB. You know why BNB? I used to tell my student BNB is not just a coin, it's an exchange. It's owned by Binance, and Binance is the biggest exchange in the world. So see another thing. So you think Binance will watch BNB go down? They would rather use your money to defend in order for it not to go down. Let me show you. Let's go to November 2021 when all coins were down. Are we there? This was November 2021. What was BTC? BNB was on $669,000. That was what it got to, and went down, and it went down. And when Bitcoin were going down, went down to as low as $324. He just lost like minus 50%. He didn't even lose up to 80% though. So he even did far better than BNB, than BTC itself. And BNB went as high as $1,375,000. Calculate mathematics yourself. That's like almost more than times 4 of what, or let's say times 4. BTC managed to do times 2, BNB did times 4. And you are still joking. SOL did not even do times 2, but did far above. Well, okay, SOL also did times 4 or more. Let's see the lowest SOL got to. You see, after that, SOL went to as low as okay, SOL went as low as, let's see the price here. No, not this time. Let's go. This was when it was on. Okay, went as low as $8. Although there was a lot of news, SOL crashed massively then. But SOL now went to $205 from $8. That's like, do the mathematics, that's like over 300%. That's like if you put $10, your $10 will have turned to more than $300. If you put $100, $100 will be like $3,000. That's the meaning. That's what SOL did. Checked, what's it called? Let's check Dodge. Dodge did excellent well. SRP. I'm interested in XRP. Okay, the second coin right now. Okay, let's take it step by step. Since we are talking about coin. So the first one is BNB. The second one is ETH. The second one is the first one is BTC. Don't mind me. The second one is BNB. The third one is ETH. Let's check ETH. ETH, this was November 2021. Went to as high as $4,460. Went down and come down to I think $1,000 or something. As low as $881. And from that $881, the next bull run claimed to $4,956. That's like 4 times or 5 times its price. So the third coin I recommend in this 2026 is ETH. And you may not buy at when it's totally down. Be buying at every single dip, be keeping. That's what we call DCA. DCA. So you can buy maybe after 3 months or after 4 months. Be buying and holding at every single dip. Be buying and holding. We call it dollar cost average. So be buying and holding, be buying and holding. So number 1, I recommend BTC. Number 2, I recommend BM. Number 3, I recommend ETH. Number 4, I recommend SRP. Why? SRP is an American crypto. You know a lot of things that is happening on that project. They are trying to pass the SRP ETF right now. If they pass that, it will fly higher. SRP went as high, the same thing. You can track the record. I think 1.96 that November. Let's check. What was it? Okay, this was in 2021. Not even in November, in April. It claims its own all-time high in April. But when you check November, yeah, this November went as 1.13 and came down to as low as 0.28. And the same BNB went to as low as 3.66. It took, this thing does not happen suddenly. It took like 2 years, 3 years, and happened like that. So that's like 0.29. That's like almost times 10 of what it was. So $100 turned to $1,000. That's the meaning. That's like almost times 10 of what it was. So the second coin I recommend is what? Is SRP. And the last coin I recommend is SOL. These are unconventional coins. I know you are expecting me to mention JKF, FP2, C7. I won't mention meme coin, Cat, Wiki, Cat, all those things. They will ruin your life and ruin your money. We will tell you the truth here. The next thing we've showed you SOL. You see how SOL did also. I've showed you the data already. So these are the 5 top coins I recommend. And these are the coins I'm holding currently. Or I'm planning to hold in my wallet in 2026 when we see a more deep coin. We have been holding this coin and have been helping us a whole lot in my signal room. Even outside of my signal room, you can see that crypto channel in my signal room here. We have been holding this coin and we have been making massive money on it. If you check all our top holding has been this coin: BNB, SOL, BT, ETH, BCHK. Another coin I recommend is also BCH. That should be an additional plus to you. But it didn't stop there. Cake is also part of it. And I still have like 2 or 3 more. But those ones are just exclusively for my students. So guys, these are things I recommend for you to buy and to hold in your next project. Don't worry. In the next video, I'll be showing you when to buy. When exactly to buy. That's what I'll be showing you in the next video. So click on the next video, watch, and let's see when to buy. Thank you. In this video, I'll be showing you when to buy. The 3 red flags I check for buying any crypto projects. I've bought quite a number of projects and I've made quite a number of money from it this year. But I'll show you the 3 red flags. We bought a whole lot. You can check our signal room, our public crypto channel to check and make quite a number of money. But what are the 3 things I check out for buying a coin? Number 1 thing is I check the market cap. And this is market cap. How do you check market cap? When you go to your home page, this is your home page right now. Just drag this icon, either on Bybit, on Binance, just drag it to this point. You're going to see market cap. Coin being ranked based on their market cap. So the number 1 thing I check before buying any coin is the market cap. And how do I evaluate this? I evaluate this by checking if the coin is within the first 10 or at most the first 30 market cap. If it has exceed, or let me say the first 21 market cap, that's based on hierarchy. This is the first one, BNB is the first one, followed by ETH, USDT. USDT is a fiat coin, USDC, they are fiat coin, they are just stable coins, but SRL, TRX. So I will check based on the list right now and start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that coin cannot be found in the first 10 or maximum the first 30 rows, I'm not buying. Because market cap determines the value of the coin. Market cap determines the lower risks on the coin, the higher chance of that coin doing excellently well. Let me give you an assignment. Go and evaluate coin with high market cap and coin with low market cap. Check how far they have done in the past years. They have done excellently well. I think I did a number of evaluation in my last video I did on the top coin I'm buying in 2026. My 5 top coin I'm buying in 2026. I did quite a number of evaluation on that. You can go and check that. Top 5 coin I'm holding or I'm buying to hold in 2026. I did a lot of evaluation. It was the previous video we did before this. Go and check that and see what we did. Very massive analysis. So, first thing I watch out for is the market cap. If it's on a low market cap, I'm not ready to buy. If it's a high market cap, I'm ready to buy, even with my last card. So, the market cap of the coin is very, very important. It's as important as the coin you're buying. When you buy with the low market cap, meme coin and the likes, you will be the money on the long run. They will only ring your wallet. So buy coin with high market cap. That's number 1. Number 2, check seasonal tendencies. So one of the things I check again for buying any coin is the seasonal tendency. What season are we? Are we in the bearish season or in the bullish season? We understand the 4 years cycle in the crypto markets. 2021, we're in bearish. To 2022, we're bearish. 2023, 2024, 2025, we're bullish. That was a 4 year cycle. So the same thing right now, 2025, we're bearish. 2022, 2022 will still be bearish. 2026 will still be bearish. 2027, 2028, 2029 is expected to be the bullish season. So check the seasonal tendencies. Or let me say this way, for those who are just starting on with cryptocurrency, check the trend. They always say trend is our friend. So check the market trend. When you look at this trend right now, judging based on this, this is a uptrend, right? But when you check this is based on 1 month chart. This is an uptrend based on 1 month chart. But when you check on 1 day chart, you find out that this is a what? A downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend that has been going down. This is a downtrend. So check the trend. So if you are buying to keep or buying to hold, are we in the downtrend? If you are in downtrend, it's the wrong time to buy. So wait until when the trend change to a uptrend, then you can now enter and buy with confidence. Like what's happening right here. This is like an uptrend here before it now turns to a downtrend. So check the trend. Check the trend of the market. Check the seasonal tendency before buying. So before I buy any coin, I check the trend. I'm buying to check the trend. And mind you, I only trade spot trading, not futures trading. I've been trading for more than quite a number of years right now, up to 7 years. I have over thousands of students. Now I've trained over 10,000 students. I have hundreds of students around my direct mentorship. We have practiced this over and over again. So check the trend of the market. That's the second thing I check before buying any coin. Number 1, I check the market cap. Number 2, I check the trend of the market. Number 3, I made my personal analysis, fundamental analysis. But fundamental analysis is not even as important as that. It's because the market price action will actually tell you what it is like. So number 3 thing I do is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Technical analysis is about studying about the past performance of the coin. Fundamental analysis is about studying about the future, the intrinsic value of the coin, what the future looks like. For the technical analysis, okay, I'm checking based on MACD, RSI, are we down? Are you getting me? I'm checking what the coin has done in the past in order to determine the future. No, fundamental analysis, I'm studying what the coin is likely to do in the future based on news, based on what the coin is being used for, based on the tokenomic pardon me. English is at that time. I get based on the tokenomics and likes. We are checking that to find out what is this coin likely to do in the future. Are you getting me? What is the news? What is the updates currently we are hearing about ETF? Okay, they are about to they are fine SOL ETF. ETF is like if they approve the ETF, it's going to give it a push up. They have filed BNB ETF. They filed SRP ETF. Are you getting me? Not BNB but SRP. So if it's been so I'm checking the future. What's people saying about coin? And one of the ways to even find this is just going on Binance. When you go on Binance right now, you can actually see. Just go to here. If I want to search SRP right now, I can just press, or let's say XRP. Right now, just search SRP. It's going to tell you what people are saying about it. You can see what people are saying. You can see unconventional things people are saying, the update about SLP. You can go to, if you want to find deep updates, go to Market Square here. I think the Market Square is here. Is it here? Okay, just scroll down. You start seeing different posts, different things people are saying about about XRP. What people are saying, view more here, just view more here. As a matter of fact, you can even use AI to analyze. You know, they now have Binance AI. So it tell you the current thing about SRP. This Binance AI right now analyzing. I did one video on this, how to use Binance AI to generate signal. It's on my channel. You can check it. That's where I explain in details how this works. How to use Binance AI to generate signal. Check on this YouTube channel. Click on it. All the videos, you see it right there. Is one of the video on this channel. So I explain that in detail. So you can check what AI is saying about the coin. What's saying currently. We explain in details. And you know AI is the current future of the world. So check. I'm trying to find their Market Square. And this is here. Check Market Square. This square here. So you can see what people are posting about SLP, what people are saying, read news, read update. I get it. So this gives you what is likely to happen. So these are three things I do. I check current update about the coin using Binance AI, and that also helped me check the fundamental and the technical analysis. Number two is that I check the trend of the market. Number one is that I check the market cap of the coin. So with this, I can judge if the market cap is high, I'm ready to buy. If the trend is an uptrend, I'm ready to buy and hold. Whatever they are saying on the public channel, both on technical analysis and fundamental analysis, I compare and contrast. So, but what happened here is that two must be positive before I can buy. Is it that market cap is high and trend is high? Maybe they are saying the wrong thing on the public channel. I don't mind. But at least two among the three must be right. And in most cases, when two among three is right, that's 70% chances of the coin do well. But in most cases, for you to have 90% accuracy, the three must be right. So this is my three checklists before buying any coin. Watch the next video when I tell you my three signals to when to sell. The next video I explain when to sell, and I explain the three signals I watch out for before taking profits. The three things I look out for before taking profit on any coin. That's what is in the next video. Watch the next video. In this video, I'll be showing you when to sell. The three signals I watch out for before taking profit on any coin. I know some people have said the hardest thing is not even to buy. As a matter of fact, in my trading journey, I found out that the hardest thing is not even to buy. The hardest thing is to sell. You are thinking, oh, what if I sell and keep going up? Oh, what if I sell now and the market keep going up higher than when I took my profits? Oh, what if I sell now? What if I didn't sell and keep going down? So you are confused either to sell or not. But there are three indicators you can actually use before selling any coin. Number one thing you have to know is that, let me explain to you this way. Before buying a coin, determine your take profits. Determine where exactly you want to take your profits. You see, you can't catch the markets. So the first thing to do is what? Determine your take profit before buying. That's one thing I used. So if I'm buying this coin right now, I'm saying, okay, when it gets here, I'm selling. Determine your take profit before buying. Oh, I'm just watching out for plus 10% increase. To better explain this, you can watch my simplest strategy, my simplest trading strategy, my simplest spot trading strategy. The video is on this channel. My simplest spot trading strategy, or the simplest spot trading strategy, is right here on this channel. That's when I explain how I always set my targets. So the one thing I'm watching out for is that when I'm looking out for, before I trade, I've made up my mind, I'm selling at social price, plus 10%, plus 5%. And how do I determine that? By doing free technical analysis. I'm looking at the next support zone or next resistance zone. To explain support and resistance, you can watch my video on this channel, technical analysis, support and resistance. I did a video on that. So the next resistance zone is my first target. The next resistance zone, the next resistance zone, the next resistance zone. If I buy to hold, the next resistance zone is my next target. For instance, right now, you can see BIT is going up right now. The next resistance zone for BNB on 1 day, on 4 hours chart is here. This is where the resistance is here at 90,000. So you can go as high as that 90,000 again. Reclaim 90,000, just 3,000 difference. You can reclaim it before I can start coming down again. So the next resistance zone is my selling point. And you ask me, sir, when then is your stop loss? My stop loss is the next support zone. Let's assume I'm longing, but I'm not longing, so I don't do that. I don't trade futures, I only trade spots. Remember, I only trade spots. So I only take profits. At times also, I cut loss, but I hardly cut loss because I don't buy meme coin. I buy high market cap. And I don't buy with money I need urgently. I buy with money I don't need anytime soon. Did you get that? Did you get that? So I hardly cut loss because I'm not ready to take any loss. And I don't need money urgently. So if it's 4 years, the money come back, I'm fine and good with it. That's why I always say trade what you can afford to keep, not what you need urgently. So, number one thing you must understand is that I determine my take profits before entering the trade. Don't say, oh, I'll have to wait for the peak of market. You can't catch the markets. So, determine your take profits before entering the trade itself. Number two is I check the trend. I'm talking about 3 signals I check right now. I check the trend. First, right now, let's assume I buy BTC on 1 hour when it was, I think, 86,000. When it was maybe 83,000. Like yesterday, right now, 83,000. So I'm checking the trend. Is it on an uptrend or it has turned to a downtrend? So as long as we are still seeing higher high, are you getting me? Higher high, lower high forming, that's an uptrend. Market structure, for those of you who understand market structure, higher high, lower high for me. So I believe we are in an uptrend. So I check the trend. They always say trend is your friend in the markets. So when I check trend and you are seeing that high trend, I can take profit. Are you getting me? So then I think that I check when the market change automatically. When the market change to downtrend, I take profits. So for instance, let's assume we are going right now. For instance, we are still on high trend, on uptrend. Are you getting me? But let's assume I bought somewhere here. Let's assume I bought somewhere here, and the market is on uptrend. Immediately this break of structure will occur. This will occur break of structure. This massive coin here, this bullish engulfing candlestick. Immediately this break of structure will occur and turn to a downtrend. I sell off before it turns to a downtrend. Once I see that, I sell off. So one of the things I check out for is the trend. So once it changes from uptrend to a downtrend, I sell off. Maybe by bullish engulfing candlesticks or market structure change from higher high to lower high right now. To lower lows, start for me. So I change. I take profit immediately. If you don't understand this, if you want to understand technical analysis, I have a course on technical analysis, $100. My courses are not cheap. That's one thing you should know. It's $100. I explain everything about technical analysis. Everything about technical analysis. It's fully explained there. So you can get that course to understand more about technical analysis, or you just Google to understand better on what these terms mean. So number one is I check the trend. Number one, primarily is that I determine I take profit by looking at the next resistance zone. Number two is I check the trend. Number three, am I on profits? I don't say when I'm not on profits. I don't say when I'm on profits. I always say this thing in my signal. I always tell my students, nobody goes wrong by taking profit. So once I'm on profit, it may be $1, it may be $2, it may be $3. Once I'm uncertain and my intuition is, you see, one of the things I check on, number three is I check my intuition. Let's put that. I think that will help us better. Number three is that I check my intuition. Once I find out that my mind is no longer at rest with that coin and I'm already checking my app consistently, I sell off. When you start seeing yourself that you are sleeping, you are dreaming of your coin, go and sell. Go and sell. When your mind is no longer at rest, go and sell. When your intuition, when your mind is already shaking, what if I go and lose? Go and sell. Go and sell. Nobody goes wrong by taking profits. Go and sell. As long as you're on profit, go and sell. When you find out that you can't do 5 minutes, you have checked your app. Some of you open your Binance app, your buy it up more than 10 times a day. You're having problem. Any coin you're holding, go and sell. That coin wasn't designed for you. It wasn't designed for you. So go and sell. So the third thing I check for is that when I check out for my intuition, immediately my mind is no longer at rest, and I can't buy. For instance, I buy coin I hold, I don't even check in 3 days, in 2 days, because I bought at a very discounted rate and I'm 100% at rest. But when that coin is on profit and my mind is no longer at rest and I'm checking, I sell off. So those are the 3 things I check for. Those are 3 things I check for. Number one is, what I say number one is, for those who are following, number two, I say trend is your friend. Number 3, my intuition. Number 1, I check for the next support soon. I determine my take profit before entering the trade. So those are 3 things that help me to stay profitable in the crypto market. Please ensure you join our Telegram channel and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.